So if we're in a public space and we require the use of a public access defibrillator, it's very important that first of all, the emergency services are called. The operator is going to talk us through the process. While on the phone to the operator, we can give them either the cabinet number on the front, local landmark, postcode, or the road name. Thereafter, the operator will be able to give you the combination for this particular machine, allowing you to easily open it, access it. We switch on the defibrillator, follow the voice prompt.